Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, and this one was a little more difficult than most because of a reservoir that had to be moved out of the way on the driver's side. Today, we will be replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 2005 Chrysler Pacifica. This set fits the 2004 through 2008 Pacifica all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn-out struts. These complete strut assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 10mm wrench, an 18mm socket, small needle nose vice grips, 21mm socket and wrench, 13mm socket, and a hammer or mallet and a small pry bar.
First thing I'm going to do is remove the ABS wire bracket. It feels like it's going to be a 10mm. Right off, just like that. No attachment on that. Looks like we're going to remove the upper sway bar link bolt. That is an 18mm. Use a small pair of needle nose vice grips on the back side just to keep it from spinning. That. I'll remove these two lower mounting bolts to the spindle. .21mm. Needs a light tap on the end. That one. And right there. So we'll lower the vehicle and get to the upper. We got 3 amp here. They're 13 millimeter. This one has one underneath as well on top holding the reservoir in place. So what we're going to have to do is remove this nut right here and try to just should be slotted, so I should be able to just lift it up now. Just get that out of the way. Right there is fine. Go ahead and hold your strut in place and remove the last 2 nuts. Tighten this back up and put the other nut on. bracket right here. Just slides over. Bracket, 2 bolts, you got your upper sway bar link. Top's done, you're ready for the tire.
This concludes our front complete strut assemblies installation on a 2005 Chrysler Pacifica. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.